All right, we got the fridge out far enough. You can see there's water all over the floor. And this stuff right here, this is what's wrong with it. It has plugged up the tube, the drain tube for the freezer. We got to clean that out. Take this little cardboard cover off. All right, this thing right here. I got to take this off. I got the screws out. I had 2 screws in it. It's supposed to have 3, but it only had 2 in it. There's the 2 screws I took out of it. Lay them over there with, see the fan running right there? Don't stick your hand in there with the fan running. And you should unplug it anyway when you're getting your, you stick your hands in there. All right, it's unplugged. I got the plug right here. All right, we're going to try this again. This tube right here. See this tube right here? Let's see if I can get a better shot at this tube right here. Has to come off right here. And it was full of water, so you pull this hose out and blow through it, and it blows all the dirt and hair and everything out of it. And then you hook this hose back up, and that'll keep your freezer from freezing up on the bottom. I'll show you the ice in the front too. And it's actually leaking out the front because it'll run inside the freezer and freeze, and then it holds the door open, and it causes all these issues. So it's a good idea to vacuum this condenser off too while you're in here. So I'm going to do that too. I won't, bore you with that. Just run the vacuum through here and get all this dirt and hair that's in here. You got it apart. You just might as well clean it while you're in here. So, but the main reason I took it apart is because of that tube right there being clogged up, and it just runs down into a drain pan that's over top of the condenser, and it just drips the water in there, and then the heat from the condenser evaporates the water, so it never has to be emptied. So hopefully that makes sense to you guys. And it is causing the issue on the front. I'm going to show you the front one more time. So, and this freezer is actually hard to open. I noticed it was hard to open the other day. But that, you can see all that ice in the bottom of that. This thing is just plumb full of ice. I got to get all that out of there. It's hard to see, but it is full of ice. All down in there is all full of ice. And it's getting right here, right in here. And it's holding the door open. And it just leaks water all over the floor. So, all right. That's it for that. So, just put the, I'm going to vacuum that dirt and stuff out of there and clean up the water and put that cardboard piece back on it, and then it's done. Plug it back in and it's done. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, comment. You all know what to do. See ya.